To get started, you'd want to first turn on the handheld device, and you'll notice within seconds it's ready to go. We'll increase the brightness just because we're outside at the moment. As you can see, we've got the indoor and outdoor acoustic leak detection options and the all-new gas. Now with the Aqua-K9, it's very important to know that this kit comes with gas and acoustic all in one. It's all in one handheld device, which allows you to be functional across any leak detection jobs you'll ever come across. So with the K9 gas sniffer, you want to click on gas and you want to just make sure that the pins align at the top. You screw it on and lock it in place. Now, you'll find an option there saying that it needs 3 minutes to heat the diffuser at the bottom of the sensor. Just want to make sure that those 3 minutes have passed before you then actively use the gas sensor. Now, when pumping the lines with tracer gas, you want to make sure that the gas itself is a mixture of 95% nitrogen and 5% hydrogen. When you're indoors, you'll want to click on the indoor leak detection function. You'll find that you've got the general detection and the AI assisted location pinpointing function at the bottom. Just like with the L series, general detection allows you to scope the general area, and the AI assisted location pinpointer allows you to then pinpoint the exact leak location. For the case of this video, I'll be using the outdoor floor sensor since we're outside. So when you click on outdoor, you'll want to connect the handheld remote to the top of the handheld device. You want to line up the pins and then screw the locking mechanism on. What you want to do is click on the outdoor leak detection option and have your outdoor floor sensor connected to the handheld device and the floor sensor on the other end. The handheld controller now has the mute and unmute button, volume and the amplification buttons all on one handheld remote. So when using the outdoor floor sensor, you'll have your outdoor floor sensor connected to the handheld remote, which is then connected to the touchscreen display. You'll also have your headphones connected to the head jack. You place the sensor on the floor and all you do is unmute the sensor to make all that sound that is being picked up come through your headphones. You can then adjust your volume and your amplification or gain. When leak detecting, you just want to make sure that you take it easy, nice and steady, and you don't rush the process. So just for this example, I'll place the sensor on this location. I'll unmute it for 10 seconds, listen to the sound, let your brain memorize it, pause it or mute it, move to the next location a meter away, unmute it again, and take another reading. Once again, thanks for being with us today while I presented to you the Aqua-K9 and the all-new tracer gas capabilities. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.